Okay, guys, we are doing it. It is official. We are actually having our first ever in-person government contracting workshop. It's going to be on Saturday, October 25th. So it's going to be at the end of this month, and we're going to be hosting it at the Hyatt Place, Pensacola Airport. So if you're at all like me, I'm a person who hates logistics. I don't do much traveling because it's just so stressful. So I've designed this in mind for those of you who share my distaste for travel. If you need to fly, if you need to drive to come join us at the first ever in-person event, we're going to make it as easy as I possibly can for you. Number one, like I said, we're doing it at the Pensacola Hotel Airport. Okay, it's a very nice location, but this way you don't have to rent a car, you don't have to get an Uber. If you do have to fly into Pensacola, you just fly in and you can literally walk to the hotel. Okay, so it's simple, easy. And the hotel also offers its own hot continental breakfast. We are bringing in lunch, snacks, refreshments. This is going to be a whole day event on Saturday, October 25th. So we're going to need a lot of fuel to keep all of this going through. And we are providing all of that to you. So you truly just need to get there. We are offering early bird tickets, okay? And there's actually only a couple of days left, literally after October 10th. The prices for the tickets go up to the full general admission price. Okay, so between the tickets, we also have a room block with the Hyatt Place Pensacola Airport Hotel. So we do have discounted room rates by about 33%. It's definitely a good chunk. So if you take advantage of the early bird ticket pricing and you book also by October 10th, by or before, you're also going to save money on your room rate as well. So for anybody who's on a shoestring, budget, but you got to travel in, you don't have a lot of extra funds, this is going to be the best time for you to take advantage during this early bird special. Thing is, we only have 50 seats available. Okay, so the seating is extremely limited. So the venue only is allowed to have such capacity. So we're trying to get as many folks to take advantage of the early bird pricing as possible, because we know that once we get past that, the prices are gonna go up, and then we only have so many seats left for general admission. So this is essentially your formal invitation. If you want to come to maybe the first, or I should say the only ever, because I don't know if I'm ever going to do this again, the only ever government contracting boot camp hosted by me, Derek James, GovKid Method. This is your official invitation, your official just welcome to come join us. See, the thing with this is I've thought about doing, in-person events many years over the past, being in federal contracting for 12 years, but running programs and working with small businesses for the last, say, 6 years. I've thought about it. I've thought about it a lot, and I've kind of always pushed it off. But as if things are not crazy enough, I'm actually in the process of buying and selling a home, moving 1,000 miles away back up to Michigan, my home state. So if there's not enough chaos and craziness happening, God decided to tap me on the shoulder and say, Derek, you need to do an event before you make the move. Don't wait until you actually move, right? Do it before you make the move. This way, everybody in the South here that is maybe in Georgia, Florida, in the New Orleans area, right, Louisiana, can drive to you. So that's why I'm doing it. It's not an ideal time for me, and believe it or not, I'm actually an introvert when it comes to being in person. But when you get me going and you get my passion coming out, and that's what we're going to be doing all day at our all-day event. It's going to be really cool. And another really cool thing that I'm deciding to move forward with this that's going to really be great for you is that because there's such limited seats, right, 50 seats max, this is going to be very intimate. It's going to be very private and in person. So my goal during this event, for those of you who are deciding to come, is that I want to speak with all of you. Okay, we have all day. I wanted to literally whiteboard it out. Write down everything that everybody is challenging with. What's holding you back? Do we need to role play? Do we need to talk about writing proposals? Do we need to talk about calling subcontractors? Do we need to talk about regulations? Like, what is it, right? I have some things that I want to bring up also in regards to like regulatory changes and the environment that we're in. We're in the middle of a government shutdown as I'm recording this, right? So there's a lot of environmental changes that I'm going to bring up. But in addition to this, man, this is about you, okay? And it's one thing to do on a YouTube live, or maybe you've been in my programs in the past. But my guess is, because I haven't done one, but more than my guess, my full intent is to make this in-person event something very special, something to remember for years. That's how I want to do this. That's the energy that I'm putting into this, to make this a very special event for everybody who decides to take me up on the offer to come. Like I said, just get there, just get the tickets. The link is down below. The room block with the discount is already applied. There's just 2 links, one for the tickets, one for the room block. I got those down below, description of this video. Make it super, super easy for you. But I want to make it as special as possible. I want to make it memorable. We're bringing all our swags, books, t-shirts, whatever I have, we're going to bring all of that as well, just to make it a very cool, a very exciting, a very inspirational, and a very real meetup. I'm big on being transparent. Integrity means everything to me. And a lot of folks question me, right? Because a lot of you, maybe you found me over the last couple months, right? Because we're doubling down on the channel again, because I had to take some time off over the past year. But some of you, maybe you've been around for a number of years and you're an OG and you've been following me, right? That's also what's great about this, is we're having a mix of people, folks that are buying tickets that I recognize their names already, which is amazing. Some that I don't recognize, which is also really, really cool. Okay. We also have some of our 90-day bid challenge participants that are coming as well. So you'll be able to speak with them. You'll be able to speak with me, and it's going to be, again, I don't know exactly why God has me doing this now. It's such a crazy, time, closing out the year, buying a house, running the challenge, all these sorts of things. But yeah, the message was very clear to go ahead and do it before we move. So, he speaks and I do my best to listen. And so that's what we're going to do. So it's going to be a tight-knit group. I really hope, like I said, consider this your formal invitation. I'm rolling out the red carpet. I have to pay for the venue. I have to pay for food, refreshments, all that stuff. So I can't make it totally free. I'm trying to keep the cost down as much as I possibly can. Again, the links are down below for all that information. But I really do, if you're someone who follows my videos, you've been watching me, even for the last couple months, if you've been following my videos, the daily dose, or you're on my lives, right? I really think it would be amazing to be able to meet up in person and speak with you, to see what you got going on. Why GovCon? What's holding you back? Maybe there's nothing holding you back. Maybe you're just brand new. The goal of this is to really position, and that's kind of the theme I'm running with for this in-person boot camp, is what I'm calling it. Workshop, boot camp, whatever, right? We're going to be in person. It's going to be raw. And it's going to be real. That's what we're going to do. Call it whatever you want. My ability to share real stories, to share real behind the scenes things, maybe even some stuff that I don't put on the channel, right? So much of that and more I'm going to actually be able to do in person. And aside from that, it's like what's driving you, right? Is that you're trying to quit your 9 to 5? Is that you? Are you a college student? Is that you? Maybe you're in the military and you're transitioning out. Is that you? Maybe you are retiring, but you're too young to not work, right? And you've got a lot of amazing experience you want to put to work. Maybe that's you, regardless of what walk of life you're coming from. Okay, I've been working with you guys for years. I want all of you to come so that we can work together in person. I truly believe that it's a destined event. I'm not sure, and I'll find out after doing it what the higher purpose was for doing it. But like I said, we're going all in. We're doing it. It's going to be amazing for myself and for everybody who joins to participate. I really hope that you get a chance to come. I know how logistics can, there can be really challenging or questions. If you need help, reach out to us. So you can email us at support@govkidmethod.com, send us an email, or you can call us. Okay, so go to my website, govkidmethod.com, just go to my contact tab, and our phone number is there. I don't know what our dedicated phone line is for that. But our phone number is there. I'm not going to give you my personal cell phone, but you can call us there and we can answer that line. Or you can email us if you have questions about the hotel, things to do in the area. You want to make a weekend of it, right? Remember, guys, you can write this entire thing off too. So call it a vacation, but this is a business expense, right? Because this is training and this is investment in taking your government contracting business to the next level. Okay, so you're getting consulting. So if you don't know, this whole thing can be a write-off for you as you're closing out your year. So if you need a couple of extra write-offs, let this event be that write-off for you. Okay, a lot of you probably already know that, but just in case you don't, you can write this off, including the lodging, the travel, and the whole thing. Okay, the whole trip you can write off. So with that being said, guys, we'll go ahead and end it here. Again, if you have any questions, let us help you. That way we can help you with logistics. That way we can just get you there. 2 days left though. The main thing, what you need to do right now, is 2 days left before those early bird tickets run out, and the price is going to go up by $100 per ticket. And the room rates are going to go up by, I think, around 50, 60 bucks. Okay. So what you want to do right now is go down to the description, bottom of this video, click the links, check out the links. You can see what the checkout looks like. You can see it'll take you, the second link will take you to the booking where we already have our booking code applied. So whatever rooms you select from there, you'll get the discount applied automatically. It's my special link from the hotel that they've created for me. Okay. So do that now. Let us know if you have any questions. And I really hope that I get an opportunity to meet with you, to shake your hand, to learn more about what you got going on, what you have going on in your business already, and maybe where you hope to take things. And hope to see you guys very soon.